Hi, Trevor Martin from the Waterfront Agents. Welcome to Bluewater Point Apartments, one of the finest deep water complexes in Queensland.
This beautifully presented penthouse apartment offers a leisurely and accessible waterfront lifestyle. Perfectly positioned overlooking the yachts at Laurie's Marina with phenomenal long water views down the main canal. Come home to first-class facilities, including an inviting outdoor pool and spa with barbecue entertainment areas, sauna and gymnasium. The open plan design has 2 spacious bedrooms with built-ins, the main with its own ensuite. A huge private rooftop entertaining terrace is partly enclosed and covered, and there's plenty of living room to entertain family and friends. Other features include a modern kitchen, internal laundry, and a large secure office. Visualize living here, exploring our waterways, or relaxing on your balcony. Cool drink in hand, watching the glorious vista of sailboats.